Alright, you guys. Okay, so today I went to Walmart again. I found the new Mood Crusher, where it has the 4 different faces. You ever 2286 guys? Mood Crusher, Hot Wheels monster trucks. They should really change the success rate to something else, because I'm getting kind of bored of those. There's the 4 different faces you can do, which I will show you in a moment. Name, Mood Crusher, truck type, pickup, strength, emotions, emotion, crash type, feelings, frenzy. So, all I need for this case is Rageosaur, fire department, police, and dual engine destroyer, and have this whole case, because I already have these 2. So without further ado, let's crack this one open. Check it out, in-hand review. Okay. Alright. So you turn the faces here. Okay, let's show the faces, okay. First, let me show the truck. So here it is. 26 guys, mustard colored rims and beadlocks, a red chassis, black roll cage. Just Hot Wheels monster trucks right here on the front. 26. No. 92. No, yeah, 26. I think. This is plastic, the chrome. I thought it was metal, but it's actually chrome. The plastic blue right here and the black windshield. No taillight printing. This is nice though. Okay, so let's go to the face. There's a happy face, guys. The scared face. That was funny. The more serious racer face, I guess. And the anger face, which I'm going to leave them on the happy face. So yeah, go get this one out, guys. This is a cool little concept. I like this little truck. It's really nice. Bad thing is they should have like made these lock, because they don't lock. Look, they move all crazily. Alright, that's it. That's all I bought today. Like, subscribe, comment, share with you guys more unboxings coming soon. Peace out. Hope you enjoyed.